Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show Google Chrome tracks everything. How to stop it? Let's get started. Open Google Chrome on your Android phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Tap Safe Browsing and select Enhanced Protection. Turn on Always Use Secure Connections. Enable Warn if passwords are exposed in a data breach. Go back and open third-party cookies. Select Block third-party cookies. If a website doesn't work properly, you can switch it back to Allow. Next, open Ad Privacy. Turn off ad topics. Turn off site-suggested ads. Turn off ad measurement. Go back to Privacy and Security and turn on Send a Do Not Track request. Make sure Advanced Protection is enabled. Now go back to Chrome's main screen, tap your profile picture, and select Manage your Google account. Open the Data and Privacy tab. Turn off Personalized Search if you don't want Google to customize search results based on your activity. Open Web and App Activity and turn it off. If you prefer more privacy, you can also turn off YouTube History, Google Maps Timeline, and Google Play History, or set them to auto-delete. Next, open My Ad Center and turn off personalized ads. Then open Partner Ad Settings and disable ad personalization there as well. Finally, review third-party apps and services and remove any apps you no longer use. That's it. Your Android Chrome browser is now set up with stronger privacy and security settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.